Here I am again. It's Friday. Still working on clearing out the lot line. I rented a Kubota tractor. You see how much rain we've been getting. Just lots and lots of rain. It's pulling up here. That's where I left off. But you can see I left the fence posts in. And I left the fence posts in so I could see where the lot line, but it's a jungle. And there's just, we're really wet. You can see where the tractor is dug in. I've got to get some, it's an old pipe here I got to get rid of. I'm going to have to get some fill in all along this line. It's just kind of a mess, but it's just been neglected for so long. And then up here, the chain link fence went all the way. I pulled it out. And now I got to dig up all this. There's bricks and stuff in this area like that. Here's where I got to end up. This is where the current cat fence is. You can see we've got wire to keep the predators out. Wire here. But yeah, I gotta put in a lot of fill before I can put the fence in. But that's gonna be next. So I cut down a big tree too. I found this boat on the property line. I think it's the neighbor's maybe. This tree here I cut down yesterday. There's a huge dead tree. Got it out of here with the tractor. So that's all she wrote for today.